Ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out financially? Welcome to the intriguing world of money management. Imagine money as a tool, just like a hammer or a screwdriver. To use it effectively, understanding how it works is key. So buckle up as we journey through the basics of money management, breaking it down into bite-sized, digestible steps. First things first, the concept of budgeting. Picture budgeting as a roadmap for your finances. It guides how you allocate your money to different aspects of your life, like housing, food, entertainment, savings, and so on. By setting up a budget, you create a clear picture of where your money goes, which allows you to control your finances instead of the other way around. Next on the list is saving. Saving money is like planting seeds for a tree. The more you save, the larger your financial tree grows, providing shade in times of financial heat. Make saving a habit, no matter how small the amount. Over time, it builds up, creating a safety net for unexpected expenses. Investing, the third pillar of money management, is the art of making your money work for you. It involves putting your money into ventures that generate more money. Think of it as buying a cow for milk instead of buying the milk itself. Investing might seem complex at first, but with a little research and patience, it can become a powerful tool for wealth creation. The fourth concept to grasp is debt management. Debt is like a hole. The more you dig, the harder it is to climb out. Avoid unnecessary debt and always aim to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. When managed wisely, debt can be a useful tool, but when mismanaged, it can become a crippling burden. Lastly, understanding and managing taxes is an essential part of money management. Taxes are a part of life, and understanding how they work can save you a lot of money in the long run. It involves knowing what counts as taxable income, what deductions you're eligible for, and when and how to file your taxes. To wrap up, managing money effectively involves budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and understanding taxes. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in securing your financial future. Remember, money is a tool, and the more adept you become at using it, the more comfortable and secure your life becomes. In conclusion, money management doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. It's all about understanding the basics and consistently applying them. So, take control of your financial future today by implementing these simple steps, and watch as your financial tree grows, providing shade and comfort in your life.